Hi, this is Espression from Computer Science Engineering Department. Today I am going to do a seventh experiment in Java, that is exception file handling. This is the question given to me and I am going to do a program now. I am using a package that is EX7. By using an interface account, I am going to create an account, deposit an account and withdraw an account. Now I am coming to the main program. Now I am using a package import java.util.asterisk, that is whole package, not both inner and outer. Class bank extends bank utilities implements account. This is nothing but exception handling. It class extends and another class that is implements an account. And by using a void getter method, void get info, and by using a try block system.out.println, we have to enter the name is equal to in.next line of, and by using a by using print stream java lang.system.out, that is print static final print statement, that is to enter the location. We are using this, and same by using and mention the account type, that is savings account of 7% interest and current interest should be 5%. Account type is equal to in.next int of, and switch is an account type, and case 1 system.out.println is enter the initial amount of deposit, and temp is equal to in.next float. If temp is less than 0, system.out.println is nothing but a print stream. Already I have start this public static final print stream. We have to write, it should be written as an invalid amount and should try again. It goes to a starting point and enter the initial amount of deposit. This and all by using a switch case statement I have given. Same thing to enter the initial amount of deposit, and if it is by using if condition, if temp is less than 0, system.out.println is an invalid amount, and try again, it should be return and deposit. By using a catch expression, catch block, catch exception is a syntax system.out.println statement is help to return an inbuilt exception of, that is plus e, by using a getter method, that is get info. And I'm coming to a main access method, public void create an account, by using a try block, by using get info. Get info is nothing but it's a getter to get an account, and system.println is nothing but account has been created successfully, and account number should be at least minimum deposit should be 1000, and the system.out.println should declare or defines the name, your account number and etc. And catch, by using the same catch block, catch exception is system.out.println, it should show a fatal error. Okay, then void deposit, here I have used a double character, it should be stated as an initial deposit. And by using a try block, again if amount is greater than 500, the balance will be successfully created by using a public static final print stream out, else the minimum deposit violation will be thrown, and we will get a message by using a catch block, and hence finally the transaction will be failed. And again I am going to open a new class, that is public void deposit. The amount to be deposit should be done by using a system.out.println statement. Temp is equal to in.next float. If temp is greater than 0, the amount will be successfully created, else they should show the invalid amount by using a throw block, that is throw my new exception. It will be moved to next iteration something. And catch I have told, and this will also show the message and it will not be transacted properly, and hence it show the transaction will failed. And finally the withdraw operation, much amount to withdraw by using a system.out.println. If temp is less, the amount is less than or equal to 0, the invalid amount error, because the minimal element here is 1000. I have already declared, how to create an account in the beginning of creation of account itself. I have already declared the amount is 1000. So by using a try block, if the amount is less than the balance, it will be successfully debited. For example, I have to withdraw 200, now it will be automatically withdraw successfully or debited successfully. Else if you are giving 1000 or 1100, now it will not be shown, it will not be deposit. Hence by using a throw block, by throw new exception syntax, it will show an insufficient fund exception. There is no amount. Catch my exception block, again it will show a message. And finally, if you want, you can check the balance and the receipt will be displayed. We'll get the receipt also. Next is, this is a demo by using a switch case statement and by using a while loop of true boolean expression. If these conditions are there, now it will be this condition satisfies. By using a switch case statement to create an account, to check balance, deposit, withdraw, and finally it will be exited. Here this is a utilities, bank utilities as shown here. Account type, the interest is how much, and the account number by using a string character and double character. This is a exception handling syntax or statement. Thank you. Now I am going to compile a program. First create an account, so I am giving one. Enter name, my name is Prashant. Enter the location Trichy. Mention the account type savings. I am giving one. Enter the initial amount to be deposited 100. Yeah, account is successfully created. Now I am giving withdraw 200 insufficient. Now the expected output we have got. Thank you.